everyone, and welcome to a one-bedroom villa here at Disney's Boardwalk Villas Resort. This is room number 4128. As you walk into this villa, there is an entryway with a mirror and a generous sized closet here in the entry. We also have some really cute artwork throughout this room. There you have Donald, Daisy, and Huey, Dewey, and Louie. So as we enter in, first thing we have is a full-size kitchen here. So we have a full-size fridge and freezer, microwave, oven, stove, sink, dishwasher, coffee pot. It's a coffee pot as well as a Keurig, and it does come stocked with Joffrey's coffee here. In addition to coming stocked with coffee, it has all of your mugs, your plates, your utensils, all of your cookware. And then under here we have trash as well as recycling. We have a very nice dining area that can seat 4 comfortably here. These units have recently been renovated, so as you can see, everything is nice and fresh, up to date. New counters, dressers, new furniture as well. So coming into the living room area, this would be the pull down bed. So this pulls down into a full-size bed, and you have some cute little artwork up there of Donald dreaming. And then again, this is a one-bedroom villa, but it does connect over into a studio, so you have the option of booking a 2-bedroom. By that, having that connecting studio on that side, be a lock-off unit, and then we will get into the 1-bedroom in just a moment. Alrighty, so as we make our way into the bedroom area, the first thing that we have here is a laundry, washer and dryer, which is always nice to have. And then heading into the first part of the bathroom, we have the stand-up shower, which is very nicely done. Alrighty, so we have the stand-up shower here, and then we have your vanity number 1, which again, the bathroom has just recently been redone. Everything is very nice, up to date and clean in here. And then coming into the second part of the bathroom, we have a nice deep soaking tub over here, as well as an additional vanity. And a nice big walk-in closet. Okay, and then coming into the bedroom, we have a nice king-size bed here with 2 end tables, as well as a generous sized dresser here with 6 drawers. A nice little sitting area with some additional lights. And then as far as plugs, we have 2 plugs here, a USB and a USB-C, which is a nice addition. And then some additional storage space here. I do like this nice touch, these little reading lamps. Those are a nice little touch. And again, we have our Disney welcome screen here. 6 straws down below. And then we'll head right back out into the living area. So that sums up our quick tour of a 1-bedroom villa here at Disney's Boardwalk Resort. Nice and bright, spacious and airy. If you're interested in booking a room like this, please follow us at Paul and Ashley Magic Vacation Planners on Facebook.
Thanks for watching and safe travels.